Try making these fun and easy gummy candies using fruit nectar in your own kitchen. I'm using GOYA guava nectar, but you can experiment with other flavors. For this recipe, you'll need a silicone mold to form the gummy candies. Silicone candy molds are sold in cooking supply stores and online in all sorts of fun shapes and sizes. Pour nectar into a saucepan and bring to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Gradually add gelatin, whisking continually until incorporated. Then, using a rubber spatula, stir gently and skim off any bubbles that form. Spoon the mixture into a mold of your choice and chill in the freezer for 1 hour until the candies are set. Remove your gummy candies from the molds and store in an airtight container. These Nectar Gummy candies make great holiday treats. Try a heart-shaped mold for Valentine's Day or a flower mold for Easter or Mother's Day.